Rain. Ronnie Milsap. Here we go. Starts on E minor. Off on my way. C, G, D, E minor, C, A minor, coming home, D, the tears filled my eyes, C, she was gone, and now the chorus is gonna be G, Smoky Mountain Rain, and B minor, up to C, her name, D, and G, Smoky Mountain Rain, I'll keep on searching, I can't go on hurting, this way, D, she's in this, and G, and second verse, we're going to D slow down, E minor, C, he said, he was going as far as Gatlinburg, D, and climbed up in the cab, C, I wipe my eyes, A minor, D, I've got to find her, can you make these big, D, and D, G, back to the chorus, and B minor, it keeps on calling, C, her name, D, G, I'll keep on B minor searching, I can't go on hurting, C, this D way, she's somewhere in this D and G. Which brings us to the bridge. The bridge is C major 7. I can't blame her for letting go. And G. And F major 7. Feel the rain running down my face. B minor, B minor. B flat major. I'll find out no matter D what it takes. And this is the instrumental part. And with the chorus, G, Smoky Mountain Rain. Keep B minor. Keep on calling. D. With my out-of-tune B string there, Smoky Mountain Rain. Keep on searching. I can't go on hurting this way. She's somewhere in the Smoky Mountain Rain. She's somewhere in the Smoky Mountain Rain. Miami. And that is Smoky Mountain Range. Smoky Mountain Rain, not range. Smoky Mountain Rain, Ronnie Milsap. Thanks for coming by, and I'll see you on the next one.